Hi everyone, here's how you can improve the look of your watch list columns by formatting the data. So in this example, it's just a change over the last month. Now because I haven't saved the script to my system, it just appears the heading there as script. So what I can do is right click, column label, and 1 month percent. And what I can also do is change the column type from auto to number. And this is where I can set the decimal place as well under price display format. So I'm going to keep it at 2. And under custom labels, this is where we can color the cells depending on any preference. So I'm going to click the plus. So label value greater than 0 is green, and I want another one for below 0. So change that to below, and from blue to red. Now we could have a label, a text label as well, saying above, below, positive, negative, whatever you like. So, but I'm just wanting the value, so I'm going to get rid of the label for both of those. And you can see how that looks in the watch list there. I'm going to right click again and align into the center. And what I'm also going to do is clone the column. So instead of typing it all out again and recreating the formula, I've just copied that column. But this time what I want to do is display it as a percentage with the percentage symbol. So I can change from number to percent, but it's out by a factor of 100. So I need to go in and edit the column and just change the formula to divide by 100. Hit apply, then we get the percentage symbol, and everything looks good, so we can then delete that column. And there you go. Any questions, please let us know.